Principles of light mixture. Combination of all primary colors. The primaries red, green, and blue combine pairwise to produce additive secondaries like cyan, magenta, and yellow. Combining all these three primaries produces white. Combination of two primary colors, red and blue. Red and blue light creates magenta. Combination of two primary colors, red and green. Red and green light creates yellow. Combination of two primary colors, green and blue. When green and blue light are combined, they make cyan. Upon combination of separation of all colors. Upon passage through the prism, the white light is separated into its component colors.